not easy being awesome, is it?
What's this for?
This is one of those.
Gloria. Gloria.
Push.
Push. Lead it out, miss. I got it. 12 o'clock on Saturday. It looked like this. I'm organizing the girls' toys, which is so intense. If you don't have children and you want to have kids, be prepared. You're probably going to be overloaded with toys. And I'm tired. I've only had a couple sips of my coffee. The girls have had unlimited arguments. I feel like I did like a marathon. Put together that the cover has like the seams a little bit ripped or whatever, not done correctly. I don't know, I'm tired. But that's our couch. I really, really like it. It's firm, but soft, but not like the soft where you like fall into the couch. I'm not into that. Where like you can't, I mean, I'm not short, but still, I like it. And I like these a lot. Oh my God, I'm so tired. This is crazy. I like the armrest a lot because like you can put stuff here and it's firm, so it's not gonna like fall over. And yeah, so we're gonna put some pillows obviously, but I really, really like it. And that's the view of our living room. And then I think I'm gonna move my filming space over here. The lighting maybe, I don't know if it's better, but I feel like I like being over here, and Rob says he can hear all my conversations. So I can move my makeup over there too. And then I'm not like right next to the bathroom too. So yeah, and I get to look at our deck. Oh my God, this is insane. Move my makeup downstairs so that hopefully the kids won't get into it. And also, I don't know, this is good lighting too. I'm gonna obviously decorate and stuff. And then this is my workspace, and then Rob's working upstairs. We moved things down here. We're gonna get like a sofa. Told you guys that. I wanted to get like maybe like a sleeper sofa. I've seen some good ones on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, but we still obviously have to hang things up. Eventually this is gonna be painted. We have like a 1-year warranty because this is builder grade paint, and we have kids and that doesn't work well with kids. So I don't know what color we're gonna do. Probably like a gray or like a blue or something. Probably gray or blue. This has been me all weekend. I gotta put some makeup on. Like, the show must go on. It's been so crazy the past week, obviously, with like the house and everything. I went for my earrings for the first time in like, I don't even know, years. Because like, you know how sometimes you lose earrings, or like you've had earrings for literally since I've had my ears pierced, since I was like 10 and I don't want them anymore. So I'm giving them to my sister that's almost 12. And then also RH got her ears pierced. So there's that. And I already got a jewelry box too. But yeah, now it's like way more, I can actually see everything. And I also put everything together so that they get matching. And if I couldn't find a match. So yeah, because I used to have my cartilage pierced, but I always got like a keloid. I think it was like infected from the start. So yeah, and I have 2 holes. And then I also separated my belly button rings. I actually need to get dressed and stuff, and then I'm gonna get ready. Even though I'm not going anywhere per usual, like every day in my life almost. I need to get ready. Oh my God. These little people are exhausting, but I love them. This is why they make them so cute, because if they were like not cute, then you'd be like going cuckoo, even though sometimes I do feel like I'm going cuckoo. We're all a little mad here. Oh, cute. I've been home with the girls by myself for most of the afternoon. Rob went to our house to go get the rest of like our stuff, like most of our stuff. I gotta organize this pantry, so stay tuned for like a whole video on that. Also like a short, a reel, yeah, I know the goods, a TikTok. So yeah, because it's like nuts. I never had this much space before, but like things are like on top of things and I don't like it. So I got a bunch of organizer stuff, so that should be awesome. I'm really excited to organize and decorate. Stay tuned. Aria's watching Goosebumps. She likes all the 90s kind of shows. She likes scary stuff. This weekend was so fast. Like, I cannot wrap my head around it. I can't. So I'm having a hot chocolate bomb, vegan, of course. So good. My mom got me these. These are so cute. I love the marshmallows. I know I'm a child. These are all like different flavors and stuff. So my husband put together our bar stools. These are so cute. And I can't believe how like big our island is. That's what she said. Oh my God, what is it with me? This is what happens late at night. I get all crazy. But like, look, we can probably fit like 4 more. And then like our pantry actually doesn't even hit them. But they're really cute for like the kids or like guests or whatever. I can't even believe I can have guests in my house and actually fit them. Like, how crazy is that? And of course we have balls everywhere. Not male, but we don't want boys in the house except for my husband, but the ball pit, they just get everywhere. I cannot wait to do organization videos, and maybe I'll do cleaning videos and stuff. I don't know, let's get crazy. And decorating videos, because like, as you guys can see, there's like nothing on our walls because we haven't done that yet. We've been trying to like unpack. These are all empty. We need to assemble that. I just need to like get stuff ready, but I just love this view so much. So pretty. I can't believe it's like 8. It's almost 9 o'clock at night and the sun's still not down. Like, how crazy is that? Well, half of it is so beautiful.